time.
Alright, back seats in. Rear section of the carpet's in. We're all mounted up, looking good, trimmed, ready to go. The seatbelt's all pretty. Onto the front part of the carpet. Wes is wrapping up. Doorpost, making it pretty. And then carpet, front seat, seatbelt, done. Steamin' Wessie. Choo-choo. Pedals are in. It's looking good. Alright, we got our passenger side seatbelt bolted down in to its bracket with a lock washer. Very nice. Off to the other side. She's a work of art. Work of art. Work of art.
I'm not a work of art.
Abstract art. Work of art. Work of art. Looks good. Ready to ride. That's not art. She's ready. Woo, baby.